So first, you know, 5 types of solids are there. Total solids, suspended, and what are all those things? Fixed solids, and volatile also you have. And one more is dissolved. Okay. So all 5 you are going to find out in this experiment solids. Okay. The method we are using here is gravitrometric record. So they will ask him what is the method you are using here? Gravitrometric. Okay. So what is gravitrometric? So it's just how it is sending. It's like sending you to gravity, and we are finding by difference. Okay. So first I will go with these 3 things. Okay. Then this thing I will tell you. So as you know, you have lot hardness. Total hardness is due to what? To temperature per minute. Here also, total solids means you have suspended solids plus dissolved. Okay. So we have to find out for each solids. We want to know what are all the solids which is just revolving, and what are all the solids which is completely dissolved, like how you see the salt. Okay. So first we will go with suspended solids to difference this thing in the total solids, because when you see a solid water, we don't know how much these 2 things are. So just to separate this thing, we use Schwarzman filter paper. Okay. So what we do here is we just take our conical flask. So some paper will be there, we will make it as a cone type of thing. We will just shape the shape where it is. I think it's there, I will show you. Right. See, this is the paper we use. See, this is called Watson paper. We just make it like this, and you will get a cone type of like this. Okay. Okay. And you just put it in your conical flask like this. I will show you this. See, when you do like this, we can pour your sample here, and whatever coming here, it is dissolved solids, and whatever retains here in the paper, it is suspended solids. So we just have to find the difference in the weight. We just put it in the oven. What happens in the oven? All liquid will evaporate, right? So whatever amount we take, this also will keep it in oven, this also will keep it in oven, and we just find the difference in weight. Okay, so to do this, we will take around 10 ml. I will take 10 ml sample will be enough. So 10 ml. Then there is a thing we call ball, which is there. It will be shaped like this. Okay. Because we have to put all the sample to oven, right? So we can't put this thing. So it's a China dish, or sometimes we call it crucible. So you already know Watson paper, it will separate these 2 things. So all the dissolved solids we have taken off the filter, we will pour it here. Okay. So this one we will keep it in oven for, we have to keep it for 1 day if you are using it for 100 degrees centigrade. But because in the laboratory we can increase here up to 300 degrees centigrade. So we will just keep it for 30 minutes. Okay. So after this, all liquid evaporate. Okay, so whatever thing remaining, no, we will take the weight. First we will take the initial weight of the crucible, and after that final weight, after completely going to the evaporation process, after the oven, we will take that weight and we will divide by ml of sample taken into 10 raised to 6 we will do. If you do it, you will get how much solids are there in gram or Ng, and it is in Ng. Okay, so same thing. First what we do now, we don't use this Wassmann paper. Simply we will take 10 ml and we will find out total solids. First, total solids we conduct. After that, again suspend and resolve solids we conduct. Okay. When we use this Wassmann paper, these two things we will find out. Okay. After that, again, what we got here, no, this thing, we will keep it in one more thing instrument called Mopes furnace. You see, no, the blue color. The blue color just after that induction thing, no, first thing you see the blue color, that's called Mopes furnace. So we will put there, it as we can heat up to 1000 degrees there. Okay. So here also we will keep it for some minutes. So more, temperature we are providing means whatever the thing remaining, called fixed solids we can find out. Okay, it completely evaporates. So while some of the solids also simply volatile in nature we got, with burning they will just evaporate. So those solids also we can find out using the formula. Some different formula is there. Total solid also, fixed solids and volatile solids. So if you find the difference, you can calculate volatile solids also. Okay. So here, no titration nothing. You just have to find initial weight and put it in oven. Find another weight, put it in the formula. You will get answer. So for these two, you are using this Wassmann paper. So for this again, like total solids, you can find the dissolved solids, and suspended solids you just put the paper only. The Wassmann paper is there now. This only you just put it in the oven. Okay. Some solids will be deposited. Find the initial weight, and after taking out from the oven, find the final weight. So that's over suspended solids. So fixed solids again the same dissolved solids. After finishing, you have that thing. No, again you got to put it here. So here again you can find the fixed solids. This volatile using formula. Some difference is there. You can find. You got now. So this much of thing you have to do it now quickly. So only three people you can do it once only with me. So you don't have to repeat also. So come, I think start doing.